When choosing your starting position for parking, keep in mind that a vehicle is more maneuverable when reversing, making it easier to park in tighter spaces. However, the farther you are from the parking space, the easier the maneuver will be. Find an available parking space. Position your car correctly on the road. Use the side mirror for orientation and move forward slowly until your right side mirror aligns with the start line of the parking space. Be sure to turn on your right turn signal so the other drivers know what you will do next. Look in your side mirrors and make sure you are not in anyone's way or causing an accident. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left and slowly start driving until you are parallel to the parking line in your side mirrors. Straighten the steering wheel, engage reverse, and slowly back into the parking space. You did a good job. Well done.